guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm participating in the International Fall Wreath Challenge 2019. It is hosted by a bunch of wonderful ladies, and they are Mom from MomDas Life Handmade, Janny and Dyanne from Decor, Pat from Style with Pat, Ruth from Kentucky Fried Fan, Chelle from Chelle's Glam Home, and Kiki from Kiki DIYs. I've been a follower of some of them for a while. I just discovered the other ones, and believe me, I'm in awe. All of their channels are absolutely awesome. A lot of great ideas, everything you need to get inspired. You have craft, you have organization, you have cleaning, you name it. I'm leaving the links to all the channels in the description box below, and I'm also leaving the link to the playlist with all the participants in this challenge. So please pay a visit to all of them and you won't be disappointed, believe me. Okay. I'm supposed to make a wreath fall related. It can be Halloween. So I decided to make this Halloween wreath. This one is from Dollar Tree. This headband, I bought it last year at Goodwill for just $1. And what I did is I opened the headband as much as possible. I tied it to the wreath to save time with this wire that I bought on Amazon last year, 2 years ago. I can't remember how much I paid for it because we were preparing my daughter's wedding and we needed wire, a lot of wire for a lot of DIYs. Now I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue just to fix it a little bit more. So here you go. It's going to be wrapped anyway. You will see now I'm going to use a ribbon, but just in case. Okay. Okay. This year, after Christmas, after the holidays, I went to Michael's, and when they were selling everything Christmas related with a 75% discount, I bought this wire ribbon, buffalo check. So I'm going to use this for this wreath. This side is kind of, oh God, kind of fleece. And this side is like regular fabric, and I like this side better for this particular project. So I measure and cut already the size I need, and I folded it because it's too wide, and I applied some dots of hot glue here and there to keep it folded. So let's start wrapping this ribbon around the wreath. Let's start here. This is really easy. We are almost halfway. And almost there. And here we are. more hot glue. And here you have it. Now I'm going to show you what I made. I found this image on internet and I printed it out with my computer. I glued it on a piece of cardboard and I added more wire. I would have liked a black one. I don't have black paint, otherwise I would have painted it. Maybe in the future I will change it, but for now it will do. So what I'm going to do now is to try to hang it from the wreath. Let me see. How can I do this? I want to fold it to keep it in place, like so, and I think it looks better from the back. So I'm going to hang it from here. Let me see how it looks. A little bit higher. I'm going to try to twist this part and then I can fix the height later. I just wanted to hurry up, not to make this video too long. So here we have our sign hanging from the wreath. I'm going to cut this part here and hide it. As I said, I'm going to finish it with more time later. I just want to show you the idea, so I'm not worrying much about this part of the process. And now I made this bow and I'm going to place it here. I didn't worry about this part. I use that wire that is for when you make flower arrangements because it's not going to be seen. It's going to be hidden under the witch hat. So, okay. And now I'm going to glue this part of the hat on top of the ribbon, the bow, to hide it. I have the rest of glue in my hands. Okay, so we are almost done. So this is the final product. I'm going to show you a picture of it hanging from the door that I'm going to hang it from when Halloween comes. I start decorating for Halloween by the end of September. I'm not a huge fan of fall decor. I'm lying. I like fall decor. What I'm not fan of is fall, because for me it means shorter days. Essentially, that's the reason. So I love Halloween. I love Halloween decorations. So after summer, I start with Halloween, and I keep the decor till November the 1st. I remove everything and I start decorating for fall on November the 1st. And I leave all the fall decor till the day after Thanksgiving. Then I remove all the fall decor and I start decorating for Christmas. So the Halloween decor in my home lasts for more than a month. And I love it. I really love it. I can't have enough Halloween decor at home. So I hope you like this idea. As you can see, it took me just a few minutes. And if so, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Ring the bell. I was trying to remember all the things I have to say. So you will get a notification whenever I upload a new video, which is usually on Mondays, except when there is a challenge. And please visit the channels of the hostesses. Please watch all the videos of all the people who have worked hard to make nice creations and to give you some ideas. And thanks to all the hostesses and all the participants. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day. And see you in my next video. Bye bye.